Here is the Google AdSense account. We are in here. I'm going to show you how to create an advertisement unit. We have attached our website already. It also enabled for auto ads. By ad unit, we can create an advertisement, a type of advertisement for placement. It's a square ads, it's a horizontal, it's a vertical. This kind of a vertical advertisement can be shown in sidebar only. This kind of advertisement can be shown in banner, header, or between the post. It is only used in sidebar only. I am checking responsive or fixed. In this kind of a fixed section, we can mention some advertisement size in website, not like a responsive. I go with the better responsive. I am checking first square ads. I am naming like Vector. Just a minute, I will switch off. Okay. Vector ads square. Because why I am naming as a square, I can use it whenever possible to use square or horizontal vertical. That's why. Here is the code. I am copying and done it. Here you can see Vector add square. Okay. After that, display ads horizontal. Okay. Vector horizontal ads, also responsive. Okay. Create. Here every advertisement will get different ad slot number. This is the our ID. After that, Vector vertical. Vector vertical. Okay. I'm clicking like that. Vertical create. I created three both kind of services, and it's a in feed. It will place like every website will have recent post section or thumbnails, and as well as in front page we will show the post, recent post or category. In this section, the advertisement will be displayed between the post. Like here you can see it is a one post, it is a one post. Between the two posts, here is one advertisement is displayed. More placement option for you. Create style manually. I am clicking like image and side. What kind of font size we looking for? We get like that. Text wrap. There's a lot of options are there. We can customize it. If we want to customize it, differentiate from the post and advertisement, we can do it here. I am checking save and get code. I have to name it feed ads because it's a post feed display advertisements. Here is the code. If you wish, we can paste it. I'm not copying. Global settings. Yeah, I'm checking for mobile ads. I'm copying vertical ads code. Here is the code I'm copying. This is the website. Here I want to paste between the recent post and category. Okay, I will go to the appearance and widgets. I'm dragging the custom HTML, okay, and I'm paste it Ctrl plus V, okay. I paste it and saved. Sometimes it takes time. We have to wait it for. There is no advertisement is displayed. Okay, that's not a problem. It will take some time, I think. Here I'm going to check. I'm just typing Vector Tech in Google. I got a result. Here is I'm checking. This is the website front page. This is the post. I'm clicking. After a few days, the advertisement is running properly. Here is one advertisement. It's a square. It is also square. Here we can see the advertisement how it is running. Through where I am pasting the AdSense code using advanced ads WordPress plugin. It takes load. Let's wait for it. I'm closing. Advanced ads. Here is the ad. This is the ad. That is horizontal ads. Okay. Horizontal ad is displaying after few paragraphs. I made a condition like this. From top, 3 paragraph after, one advertisement have to displayed. From bottom, 5 paragraph after one advertisement, that is AdSense advertisement. After that, 3 paragraph after one YouTube ad. Here we can see like add square or vertical. We make it like display. If I change, I have showed already types of advertisement in AdSense. This is our newly created AdSense account. Here you can see vector horizontal ads. It was ad units. We can create multiple ad units, okay, in various kind of sizes. I got a one click yesterday, that's why I got 0.20 20 rupees, 0.20 rupees I got it. The page views about 66. Okay, good, that's working good. We will get earned amount depends on the clicks and the page views as well as the advertisers. Here is a ads, ad units, vector vertical, vector horizontal ads, vector ad square. We can choose anything we want to show it. Depends on the widgets. We can add it's a horizontal, it's a vertical. It's a vertical ads. Okay, remaining is working good. Auto ads I have switch off because it will show more ads that user may not like it. That's why I made it off. It's under construction website. That's why you cannot see the content in properly. The align. Okay, thank you for watching videos. More doubt you can comment about AdSense, why the advertisement is not showing. Any doubt regarding, you can comment here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.